This video, we're talking about eggplant as the main course in your dish for anybody looking to follow a low protein diet for kidney disease or diabetic kidney disease, as this won't raise your blood sugar. So eggplant, delicious, nutritious, low in sodium, phosphorus, potassium, excellent kidney vegetable. And it makes you feel full if you eat enough of it because it has bulk. I had some eggplant last night. So you're going to do eggplant as the main part of your dish. There's like thousands of eggplant recipes online. You can do grilled eggplant, baked eggplant. You can do like an eggplant, like a vegan eggplant parmesan that I saw. If you just, adjust, and you're going to use more of those vegan cheeses that are cashew based, that are lower in protein. So there's just endless and countless recipes that you'll use with the eggplant. That's what you're going to use as the base of your dish, whatever you decide. Okay. Last night I had like a vegan eggplant parm. As I mentioned in other videos, I don't worry about potassium, but I did keep it lighter in the marinara sauce. I didn't even use any vegan cheese, so it was really modified. So I used a really, really small amount of breadcrumbs, and I used rice milk or almond milk. You can use soy milk too to help coat it a little bit before you put the breadcrumbs on. Actually, soy milk you should probably avoid, as that's a little higher in protein. Baked it for a while with a little marinara sauce. It was excellent. But whatever you decide, you can always use eggplant as that main part of the dish. And you want to add more to your meal. So you may want to add in there a salad, large salad with some oil, vinegar, lots of veggies. Or another way, another grilled, cooked, some form of veggies that you can add, 1-2 cups. You can add a carbohydrate. Now, if you add about a half cup of any carbohydrate, that generally shouldn't raise blood sugar even for diabetics. So a half cup is a small amount. Now, we're talking around 15, maybe 20 grams of carbohydrates at most. You should go for that whole grain carb, whether that's buckwheat, which doesn't raise your blood sugar as much. Kasha is the other name. Quinoa, whole grain slice of bread you also can do. But these are all different options that you can create a meal that's low protein, delicious, tastes good. It's not going to raise your blood sugar, and it's going to be excellent for your kidneys. So you decide from there. But eggplant your base. Then you add a side of vegetables, however you want to do. You can do fruit too. And then a very small amount of a carbohydrate to help you feel full. And make sure to add a little extra oil, olive oil is preferred to whatever vegetables you're having, and even to your greens. It'll add extra calories if you're worried about weight loss, worried about losing weight on a low protein diet. If you're trying to lose weight, then don't add the oil. And also, when you add fat to a meal, it prevents the blood sugar from going up as high. So a little tip there. So thanks for watching and enjoy.